Five One Talks Reach or Refer a Teacher program is another way of earning and winning exciting prizes from Five One Talk. You can refer Filipino relatives, friends, and even acquaintances here and abroad that are just like you, hardworking, passionate, and meets all the Five One Talk requirements, such as excellent English communication skills, a wired internet connection with a minimum of 3 Mbps, and a Skype ID for faster processing. There are 4 simple ways to refer. 1. Share your link in any social media group. You can do this by going to your My page. Then, click Refer a Teacher, click the Share Your Referral Link button and copy, and lastly, paste it on your social media accounts. You can also direct message your Share Your Link to your friends. 2. You can also refer by clicking the Reach promo banners in your homepage and fill out the form. 3. You may also send us an email with your referrals information with your Five One Talk teacher name at reach@fiveonetalk.com. 4. You can also send an SMS with the following format: your Five One Talk teacher name, your referral's complete name, mobile number, preferably with email address, and Skype, and send it to 0917-808-9398. Make sure to always use your Five One Talk teacher name and remind your referrals not to apply in any online or offline recruitment sites. So what are you waiting for? Refer now and get reached.